If you are tired, sitting in traffic all day, rushing from your house to the office, only to sit behind the desk doing something that you absolutely hate, welcome to my channel. I'm Felicia, your cleaning business bestie, and I show individuals just like you how to grow, how to start, how to scale a cleaning company. Today, we are talking about how you can start thriving and doing something that you enjoy while seeing your bank account increase. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. I've helped hundreds of coaches, hundreds of individuals as well that want to start or scale their business to grow a cleaning company. And today I'm going to show you exactly my secret formula, if you will, on how you can start a business, a cleaning company with $1,000 or less. I said it, $1,000 or less. So I'm going to break down exactly how the remote cleaning business works and why it's one of the most easiest and most scalable side hustles that you can do today. So the first thing that I want to say is that if you are new here, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow me for more as well. So one of the things that I am really excited about is just how rapid fire everybody is taking action on things that I'm sharing from my shorts to videos here, going back watching my older videos. I really appreciate you guys. So one of the things that I think is really important as you are starting or growing your business is that you get everything set up from a systems perspective first. Sometimes you want to find the client, sometimes you want to go hard and trying to do that, but get everything set up from a systems perspective first. If you're trying to make your first $1,000, that's the first thing that you need to do. Oftentimes we do that last and then we go try to get the client, and then what happens? We actually have more success than we perhaps thought that we would have in the beginning. And so because of that, we find ourselves scrambling and just trying to pull the pieces together to actually be able to grow and serve the clients that we get. So while you're slow in your slow season, while you're just starting, or even if you're just kind of already have a business, but you don't have that many clients, focus on your systems, focus on the back end of your business, and trust me, you will thank me for this later, okay? The second thing is if you're trying to really focus on making $1,000 a week or more, is you want to ask yourself, you want to say self, what do I truly need to do to get to that $1,000? Now, when we break that down, right? If you say, okay, I want to make, even if you say I want to make $100 a day, what do you need to do to make $100 a day? If you are a solo cleaner, how many houses do you need to clean to make $100 a day? If you are a cleaner and you have people working with you, what does your profits need to be for you to make $100 a day to reach that $1,000 goal? So you see how I'm breaking that down, right? So you want to be able to break that down, and you want to know your numbers. I want you to pause right now and just write that down. I need to know my numbers. Okay, because that is half the battle. So many people don't know if they're profitable, if they don't know how profitable they can be, because they don't just sit down to actually look at the numbers in their business, right? And you could do this even if you only have one client, or you just got your first client, or you don't even have a client, but you know the amount of profit that you want to make on a day-to-day basis, right? The second thing is you need to have a way for somebody to pay you. Like if you're trying to get to your first $1,000, say you get a client, how are they going to pay you, right? So you have to have some type of back end system set up so that you can actually process a payment, okay? And then the third thing is you have to have some type of supplies or something in place where you can actually fulfill what it is that they've actually paid for. We all know that word of mouth is powerful. So as you're getting these first clients, you want to blow them away. You want to be so good that they go tell 5, 10, 15, 20 of their friends to come back and that they need to work with you. So these are just the core things that you can do. I'm going to keep this video 5 minutes or less. But in my second part of this video, I'm going to go even more in depth on what it looks like to get the back end of your systems and things, created in your business. So make sure that you like, subscribe. If you have any questions about anything I just shared, if there's anything that you want to add to the conversation, please make sure that you comment below, because I would love, love, love to hear from you. All right? I'll talk to you soon.